Hello there, young legends of peace and potato chips. My name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, but you can just call me Gandhi, or if you're really in a hurry, Key Man. Now, most people know me as the peaceful protest guy, the skinny dude in sandals, the one with glasses, spinning yarn, saying wise things like, be the change you wish to see in the world. Yeah, that guy. But once upon a time, I was just a nervous, awkward 24-year-old lawyer with a suitcase full of snacks and a suit that made me look like a confused but polite penguin. And this story, this is about the moment I went from quiet lawyer to legend with a mission. It all began on a train, South Africa, 1893. It was freezing cold. I had just boarded the first class carriage. Yes, first class. I paid for it. I had my ticket, my tie, my attitude. I was feeling fancy until, excuse me, sir, a conductor showed up. Big hat, bigger mustache, zero friendliness. He looks at me and says, no coloreds in first class. I blinked. I checked my ticket. Then I blinked again because my eyes were dry and I forgot to bring eye drops. I said politely, but I have a first class ticket. And he said, not so politely, and I don't care. And before I could say, have a peaceful day, sir, up, boom, they threw me off the train. Like actually threw me. I flew through the air, my suitcase exploded, socks flying, papers flying, one of my snacks, a samosa, landed directly on my face. You ever been slapped by a samosa? It's spicy and sad. Now picture this, it's night, I'm sitting alone on the freezing platform, my pride is bruised, my bum is frozen, and my snack is gone. But right there, in the cold, I had what people today call a main character moment. I thought, if this is how they treat me just for my skin, what about the rest of us? And that, my friends, was the beginning of a revolution. But like a super calm one, with no yelling and no punching. I called it Satyagraha, that's Sanskrit for the hope, truth force, or peace power, or in today's words, dono bo, don't be a jerk, but don't back down either. And guess what? That idea, Satyagraha, changed everything for me, for South Africa, for India, for the world, even for you watching this video right now. By the way, if you believe in standing up for others and doing it with kindness, then hit that like button, gently, peacefully, with love. Go ahead. I'll wait. And while you're at it, subscribe. Not because I told you to, but because you choose to. That's what Satyagraha is all about. Making the right choice even when it's hard or when you're being peer pressured by a bald guy from the past. Now back to the story. After that train ride, I didn't go back home. Nope. I stayed in South Africa for 21 years, helping people fight unfair laws, marching, protesting, getting arrested. A lot. Like so many times I had a favorite jail cell. They even let me paint it. I called it Selfie Central. Once, in jail, I played chess using peanuts as pieces. Won twice. Ate my queen during lunch. But even when it was tough, I didn't give up. Because fighting unfairness with peace isn't weak. It's super strong. It's like being a Jedi, but with sandals. Eventually, I took those ideas back to India. And well, you might have heard what happened next. Long marches, spinning wheels, freedom, all that jazz. But this story, this little train ride, this cold night with the flying samosa, that's where it all began. So the next time someone says, you're just one kid, what can you do? You tell them, I can change the world with truth and kindness and maybe a peanut chessboard. Thank you for listening, my young peace ninjas. Now go be the change you wish to see on YouTube. And seriously, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be watching peacefully from history.